Only adults should install the batteries. Before starting the battery installation, please prepare for AAA alkaline batteries and make sure the power is switched off. Turn the screw in the direction indicated by the arrow with a Phillips screwdriver. Use a Phillips head screwdriver in the direction of the arrow to open, showed by red arrow. Remove the unit cover. They are the cover and the inside section. Press the two black areas marked push open on the battery cover of the inside section and remove the battery cover upward. Inside for AAA alkaline batteries with the plus and minus correctly according to the indications. After inserted the batteries, put the battery cover on until making a sound click. Put back the unit cover. Use a Phillips screwdriver to screw back the opposite direction of the arrow and the screw located on the bottom of the unit. Finish the battery install.